Now here we are, journey that started 7 years ago, and we've been watching the countdown clock, and the countdown clock is ready to turn to 0. Keys are coming this week, the opportunity to take a month to fine-tune everything about Chase Center, and then here we go. Ribbon cutting on September 3rd, first event on September 6th, Symphony and Metallica, and to think that this is all coming together from what was just a vision 7 years ago should be thrilling for everybody associated with this project. And we're so excited to finally be able to show the final product.